Stuck trying to change your header navigation theme in Namecheap? I will show you exactly which templates to click to get it done fast. It is one of those things that looks complicated until you know where to look, and then it is super simple. We will start in the editor, click through the header settings, and select the right template numbers. Follow along. So first, open up your site in Namecheap's website builder. You want to be on that main editing screen where you can see your live page. This is the dashboard where all the magic happens. Now, click on the header section. This is the area at the very top of your page, usually where your logo and menu links are. When you click on it, you will see some editing options pop up. Go ahead and click on the header to select it. Next, click on Template 1. This is where the theming options start to appear. You will see a selection of different layout templates, and we want the very first one. Just click on Template 1. All right, now you are going to click on the number 1. This might seem a little specific, but the interface uses these number selections to fine-tune the style within that template. So find the button that says 1 and click on it. Here is where we repeat ourselves a little, but stick with me. Click on Template 1 again. Yes, you did this before, but now you are drilling down into another layer of settings. Just find Template 1 and click it. Then click on the number 2. Now you are making a secondary selection. You are telling the builder that you want a specific variation of that template. So click on the button that says 2. Okay, you guessed it. Click on Template 1 one more time. This is the third time we have selected it, and I know it feels repetitive, but each click is navigating you deeper into the correct menu tree. Just trust the process and click Template 1. Now click on the number 0. You are almost done. Find that button with a 0 on it and give it a click. Finally, click on Continue. That button will apply all of your selections and close out the theme picker. And just like that, your header navigation has a new look. And there you have it. You went from digging around for those hidden theme settings to confidently navigating the template selections and getting the job done. If you followed along, you now know exactly which options to click to customize your header in Namecheap without any of the guesswork. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.